Hey, what's going on, y'all? Timothy again with Inspire with Drones, and I just wanted to touch bases concerning what is taking place this week, known as China Week, at Congress. I recently uploaded a video concerning my suspicion as to why the DJI Neo was taking so long to ship and why we have to wait till October. And then I started thinking about it. It's probably because of what's going on in Congress. Well, something significant happened yesterday, even as I was making that video, and I totally, I missed that update at the time. Had I, received it, I probably would have added more detail to the video that I previously uploaded. But anyway, I just want to inform many who, if you know or if you don't know, that yesterday, Congress was back in session, and the DJI bill that was presented was actually passed. However, it was passed by the House, not the Senate. It still has to go through the Senate. They still got to talk about it. They still got to have their conversations. It's going to happen. That part is necessary. Will it happen this week? Who knows? Who knows? Maybe there is some other delay in the process. But what we do know is that it has been passed by the House. Now, this does not mean that DJI is completely banned at this moment, at this time. Some of the takeaways from this is that even though it passed through the House, we are still, at this time, currently able to use our current DJI drones. You can still fly them, you can still use them. Also, you can still purchase any existing drones that are already released on the market, already out. And the reason why is because the FCC is a big player in this, in that DJI has to go through them in order to get the FCC authorization, or not authorization, but identification, I believe, in order for us to be able to use their products in the United States. Okay, so with that being said, all of the current drones that are already on the market from DJI have already gone through that process. So anything that you have, or anything that you desire to get that's already out, again, keyword, already out on the market, is able to be purchased, that you can still be able to fly. Okay, so that's a good thing. But again, and that's even saying that even if this does get passed by the Senate, we can still use the current technology that we already have in our hands. All right. This ban would just prevent DJI from basically selling into the U.S. In the future. I'm sure there may be some modifications and changes to it, but again, I don't know that far ahead. I just know currently right now it has been banned through the House and is currently going through the Senate. So that's it. Leave your comments and thoughts in the comments below. How do you guys feel? What do you guys think? I mean, it's and it's something, and I know a lot of people were kind of nervous. For me, all I have is DJI drones, and a colleague of mine reached out to me. He was like, "Hey, Tim, do you have any other suggestions on any other brands or companies or manufacturers who we could transition to, who make drones?" And I told him straight up, I said, "You know what, bro? I really don't know at this point, because anything that's coming from China, I feel that this bill is going to, eventually touch all of them." And we're talking about everyone from Autel to what's the other one that just popped up on the scene? Something robotics. Oh my gosh, I can't think right now. But anyway, I'm sure you guys can figure that out. So let me know how you feel. Again, there's still hope. There's still hope. The Senate has to go through the Senate. So hopefully our efforts will shine brighter than ever. And I hope you're doing your part as much as you can. This is Timothy Brazil with Inspire with Drones, signing out. Till then, stay blessed, keep flying. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.